Are you a teenager looking for ways to make money in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the various avenues you can pursue to earn some cash. From freelancing and tutoring to online surveys, content creation, and even starting your own e-commerce business, the possibilities are truly endless. You can also consider social media influencing, part-time jobs, investing, and more. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of money making. Let's jump into our first method, freelancing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Have you ever considered offering your skills as a freelancer? In this digital age, freelancing has become an attractive option for teenagers looking to earn money. Whether you're a whiz at writing, a guru in graphic design, a savant in social media management, or a coding connoisseur, there's a freelance gig out there for you. Think of your skills as your product, and you're ready to start your own mini business. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are like your virtual storefronts. They connect you with clients who need your skills. You set your rates and you choose the projects that interest you. It's all about selling what you're good at. Plus, it's a great way to gain work experience and build your portfolio while still in school. So, why not give freelancing a go and see where your skills can take you? But what if you're more academically inclined? Let's talk about tutoring. Are you good at a particular subject? Tutoring could be your ticket to earning money. This method can be especially rewarding if you have a knack for explaining complex topics in a way that's easy to understand. You can offer tutoring in a variety of subjects, from mathematics to foreign languages, depending on your strengths. To get started, consider advertising your tutoring services locally. You can create flyers to distribute in your neighborhood or post an ad in your school's bulletin board. Alternatively, you can use online platforms such as Craigslist, Tutor.com, or Wizant to reach a wider audience. One of the great advantages of tutoring in today's digital age is the ability to offer your services virtually. By conducting sessions online, you can reach students from around the globe, broadening your potential client base. So if you enjoy helping others learn, why not turn that passion into a source of income? For those of you who love sharing your opinions, our next method could be a perfect fit. Did you know you can make money just by taking online surveys or participating in market research? That's right. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna are always looking for consumer opinions on a wide range of topics. You can earn cash, gift cards, or other rewards simply by sharing your thoughts. It's a fun, flexible, and straightforward way to make some extra money. So why not give it a try? Next up, let's explore the world of content creation. Have a passion for creating content? It could be your money-making opportunity. Content creation is an expansive field encompassing everything from writing blog posts, producing YouTube videos, to launching a podcast. The key here is to create something you're passionate about. It could be fashion, tech, music, cooking, or anything else under the sun. Now, how do you monetize this content? There are several ways. Advertising is a common method where you earn revenue from ads placed on your content. Sponsorships involve partnering with brands that pay you to incorporate their products or services into your content. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. And then there's crowdfunding, where your fans can directly support your work through platforms like Patreon. Creating engaging content is the other half of the equation. Remember, content that resonates with your audience, that they find valuable or entertaining, is more likely to be successful. From digital content to physical products, our next method involves starting your own e-commerce business. Ever dreamt of running your own online store? It's easier than you might think. With platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Shopify, you can sell anything from handmade crafts to vintage items, or even print-on-demand merchandise. But remember, the key to e-commerce success is investing time in market research and product development. Understand your target customers, know what they want, and deliver it with a difference. The online market is vast and ready for you. If you're active on social media, you might want to consider our next money-making method. Are you popular on social media? It's time to turn those likes and shares into cash. Social media influencing has become a lucrative career, with brands willing to pay top dollar for your endorsement. How do you get started? Firstly, identify your niche. Are you into fashion, travel, fitness, or tech? Your content should reflect your passion. Secondly, engage with your audience. Respond to comments, create interactive content, and keep the conversation going. Next, build your personal brand. Be authentic, consistent, and professional in your posts. Now let's talk about collaborations. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. Reach out to them, make a pitch, show them how your audience aligns with their target market. Remember, it's not just about having a large following, it's about having an engaged following. Now let's move on to more traditional ways of making money as a teenager. Don't discount the value of a good old-fashioned part-time job or the power of investing. Starting with part-time jobs, these can be a fantastic way to earn some money while also gaining valuable work experience. Whether it's working in a local store, serving up delicious meals in a cafe, or even helping out in your neighborhood with chores and tasks, there are plenty of opportunities out there. Ask around, keep an eye on local job boards, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Remember, every job teaches you something, even if it's what you don't want to do in the future. Now let's touch on the power of investing. Yes, even as a teenager, you can start learning about and investing in the stock market. It might seem intimidating at first, but there are plenty of resources available to help you understand the basics. Start small, perhaps with a few shares in a company you like or a low-cost index fund. Remember, the goal here isn't to make a quick buck, but to learn about investing, understand the value of money, and potentially grow your wealth over time. To do this, you might need an adult to open a custodial account on your behalf. This is a type of account that an adult manages for a minor until they become of age, but it allows you to get started with investing. Remember, whichever method you choose, prioritize your education and maintain a healthy work-life balance.